What's good, YouTube? We're back with it again, man. Today we're gonna talk about how to boost your testosterone using zinc. Because none of you are getting enough zinc in you, and that's the reason why you feel like shit all the time. Just like that, man. Alright, man, let's go. Today we will talk about what is zinc and where to get it, how much your body really needs, and also the effects of zinc. So what is zinc and where to get it? Zinc can be found in foods like oysters, beef, chicken, beans and nuts. But the thing is, it's pretty hard to get from just food alone. So supplementation helps. You can get like some zinc supplements, some zinc tablets, and just take them, you know. So how much does your body need? It depends on your age, your health status, and your lifestyle habits. Babies between the ages of 0 to 12 years old need about 2 to 3 milligrams per day. Children 1 to 13 years old need 3 to 8 milligrams per day, and that should say months, not years, so 0 to 12 months. And then children from 1 to 13 years. Adults from ages 14 to 18 plus need either 8 to 10 milligrams for women and 11 milligrams for men. The effects of zinc. It supports healthy immune system, which fights off diseases, so you won't get sick as often. It helps in healing wounds and repairing them. It supports growth and development, especially in children. It promotes healthy skin and hair. And it also increases your testosterone levels. Yeah, man, if you want to increase your T levels, promote your hair and stuff like that. Let's say if you don't want to go bald, just take your zinc, my brother. Alright, man, that's it. Today's a shorter video. Like and subscribe, it helps me out. Comment questions on what other videos you want me to do. And yeah, man, that's all, man. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.